Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Nadine West clothing unboxing for April. It does come with a packing slip that tells you how much each item is. That way if you do want to keep it, you know how much you're going to be charged. And then I have two bundles here. According to my tracking sheet, looks like I have 2 tops, 2 bottoms, a dress, and a necklace. So let's take a look. Got some pants. These are some nice black pants, very stretchy. Oh, they're butt sculpting ones. I do get these sometimes. It's funny. I always like to see the picture on there. It's hilarious. And I will insert pictures so you can see what they look like at the end. I normally lay them out so you can kind of get a better idea how long they are and stuff like that. Here's one of the tops. It's very soft. Oh, where's this address? If it's a dress, it's very short. Let me see here. Yeah, it's the dress. It says spicy rust, so I bet this is the dress. So this would be very fitting and pretty short. But I bet you could wear that with leggings, so it doesn't look like it's too long. So I'm gonna open this necklace first, but I see hippie chick here. That's my favorite. Their style of clothing is what I mostly kind of wear. And I get a lot of layered necklaces, and the way they just throw them in there, they do get tangled. So I'm gonna have to probably work on that and insert a picture of it. But it looks like it's adjustable and different things just hanging from it. It's a rose gold color. That's pretty cute. And the hippie chick, this is a light purplish pink, and the shoulders are cut out. Again, very soft. It's a cute little spring shirt. I think I'm getting snuck up on by Rylee. She ran up behind me and just tried to scare me, she said. So, let's see. We got a top. This is cute. So it's mainly white and with some red running through it, a little bit of navy. The sleeves are bunched up. Real cute. I like that. And then some jeggings. These are not butt sculpting ones, but they're a little distressed at the end and stretchy and a thicker band. So that's pretty cool. So I will go ahead and insert the pictures and the prices on screen so you can see how much everything costs. So it's really easy. If there's anything you don't want, you just put it back in the bag. There's another little seal in it, so you can just seal it and put your label on it, which will get returned. You won't get charged for what you keep. Very, very simple process. If you guys are interested in signing up for a subscription, I'll put the link below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.